Hello students, this is Mohammad Tanjir Hussain Khan from Stanton University. Currently I am working as the Global Marketing Manager. Stanton University is a non-profit private university based on California. We offer 6 courses: Bachelor of Business Administration, Bachelor of Science in Information System, Masters in Business Administration, and Masters in Science of Information System. And we have 2 associate courses: Associate Science in Golf and Associate Science in Korean Culinary. And our fees is very affordable. We are the highest accredited university in USA. We are currently holding the highest accreditation, what is called WESC accreditation. And we are assuring the highest quality of education with less tuition fees. So I will offer you our courses to apply through Sayon International, because it's one of our official partner in Nepal. So you are most welcome to our university for apply. For further any help, you may mail to our university directly. We will reply. Thank you.